In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add missing expense and deposit transactions to QuickBooks Online. If a bank feed missed something, you paid a bill outside QuickBooks, or you received money that never synced, adding the transaction directly to your register is a quick and reliable fix. I'll walk you through it so everything lands in the right place and your balances stay accurate. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and heading to the Transactions menu on the left. From there, choose Chart of Accounts. This is the list of every account in your bookkeeping: bank accounts, credit cards, and all the categories you use to track income and expenses. You'll be adding the missing item to the account where the money actually moved, usually your checking account or a credit card. Find the account you need and click View Register. The register is your running ledger for that account, showing each transaction and the balance over time. Working here lets you add what's missing without jumping through multiple screens. At the top of the register, look for the Add Deposit button and click the small drop-down arrow next to it. Choose the type of transaction you're entering. Use Add Expense when money left the account for a purchase or bill. Use Add Check if the payment was made by check and you want the check number recorded. Choose Add Deposit for money coming in, like customer payments, refunds, owner contributions, or transfers from another source. Picking the right type ensures the entry is treated correctly in your reports. Now fill in the details. Select the payee to keep vendor and customer histories accurate. Enter the correct date so the transaction shows up in the right period. For category, choose the account that best describes what the money was for: an expense account for purchases or an income account for deposits. Enter the amount and add a memo if it helps you or your accountant understand the purpose later. For deposits, use the Received From field and categorize the lines so the income flows to the right place. If the transaction covers multiple purposes, you can split it across more than one category for accurate reporting. When everything looks right, click Save. You'll see the transaction added to the register and the balance update. If you use online banking, keep an eye on the For Review tab later. When the bank feed brings in the matching item, choose Match instead of adding a second transaction to avoid duplicates. And remember, if you spot a typo or wrong category, you can always open the entry from the register and edit it. That's it. You've added a missing expense or deposit directly to QuickBooks Online and kept your books clean and complete.